Welcome back to Autoland, the place where heavy machinery meets big imagination, and every spec sheet gets the spotlight it deserves. Before we fire up today's walk around, make sure you tap subscribe, ring that notification bell, and become part of the Autoland crew so you never miss the machines that move the world. Today we're talking about a crawler dozer that punches above its weight class. The 2026 Komatsu D39PX. Komatsu kept everything operators love about the proven D39PX to for platform-balanced chassis, low ground pressure, and a cab you could practically live in, but dialed up the brains and brawn for the next construction cycle. Let's dig in. Power first. Under the sloped hood sits Komatsu's SAA for D95 LE7 4-cylinder, still at 105 horsepower, but now tuned for EU Stage V and EPA tier for Final Plus compliance. A refined, variable flow turbo and low-speed matching pumps let the engine loaf at 1,900 RPM during light pushing, cutting real-world fuel use by roughly 8% over the 2025 unit while keeping torque on tap for slot dozing or ripping through tough clay. Twin hydrostatic pumps feed independent track motors, so you get smooth turns and full blade power even when you pivot. No gear hunting, no momentum loss, just press and carve. Brains come next. The headline upgrade is intelligent machine control. 2.5 to roof antennas and an inertial measurement unit predict dozer attitude 100 milliseconds ahead, nudging the 6-way pat blade before the ground ever fights back. Set lift layer mode, and the system automatically slices fill to your program thickness, perfect for road base or building pads. Switch to proactive dozing, and the software learns from each pass, letting you pull longer strokes with fewer windrows. Early tests show up to 30% faster bench to grade times versus manual operation. Comfort hasn't been ignored. The 2026 cab is OPS certified, pressurized, and now gets a 26% larger laminated windshield that sweeps all the way down to the cowl for better view of the cutting edge. A new 10-inch touchscreen pairs with jog dial shortcuts so gloves stay on. 5 selectable response maps let veteran operators tune steering and blade sensitivity, while greenhorns can leave everything in smart and let the machine think. Noise levels drop to 72 decibels at the operator's ear, whisper quiet for a crawler. Let's talk undercarriage. The PX variant spreads its 20 to 1,900-pound operating weight across 36-inch shoes, giving ground pressure under 4 point to sigh lighter than some skid steers. Komatsu's Plus Parallel Link system now uses sealed pin bushings with a 30% life bump and a bolt-on segmented sprocket, so you swap rings instead of whole hubs. Maintenance minds will love that 500-hour engine oil interval and centralized pressure test ports behind a single swing-out panel. Daily checks to grease points and a quick visual on coolant and hydraulic sight glasses done in 3 minutes flat. On the tech side, the optional 360-degree camera stitches live sightlines onto the dash, while the Comtrac's 5G modem streams location, idle time, and def levels straight to your phone or office PC. Fleet managers can geofence job sites and schedule service alerts automatically. Operators can pull up grade plans or view cross-slope in real time. It's the digital toolkit small contractors asked for, baked right into the iron. Blades and attachments seal the deal. Standard is the 3.14 cubic yard power angle tilt blade, with 25 inches of lift and nearly 2 feet of dig depth. Bold tonware edges and a high-capacity semi-U mold board are factory options for land-clearing crews. Rear end. Choose 3-shank parallelogram rippers, a hydraulic winch rated at 40,000 pounds, or a tow hitch plate for pulling scrapers. LED work lights up top, and on the blade push beam turn night shifts into day. In the field, the D39PX is a Swiss Army knife. Its size threads it between trees for site prep, the low-si footprint floats across pipeline right-of-ways, and the auto-blade control makes novice operators look like veterans on final pass. Rental yards appreciate its trailer-friendly 9-foot transport width and 15-inch ground clearance, while owners see payoff in lower fuel burn and longer service intervals. So where does it sit in 2026's Dozer lineup? Think of it as the sweet spot between agile D1 class finishers and heavyweight D51 earth movers. If you're grading subdivision lots on Monday and spreading base rock on Tuesday, you want a machine that loads easily, runs cheap, and hits grade. First pass, that's the D39PX. Before we wrap, quick shout out to the Autoland community. Your comments and site stories help shape every review we do. Drop your real-world D39PX experiences below. Fuel numbers, grade control wins, or maintenance hacks. If you're running a competitive cat or deer, we want that feedback too. It keeps the conversation honest and the content useful, alright? Blades up and parking brake set. If this breakdown earned your thumbs up, smash that like button, share with your crew, and make sure you're subscribed to Autoland for weekly deep dives into the machines that keep infrastructure growing. Hit the bell so you're first in line as soon as the next iron rolls off the transporter. Thanks for spending these minutes with us. Stay safe on the job site, and we'll catch you in the next video right here on Autoland.